Hello! Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you what operators are, the type of operators we have, and you are going to love it. So let's get started. Let's open up our folder, and then I will rename the folder as we are covering operators in JavaScript. So enter, and then I want to open this up with my VS Code. Open with VS Code. So it's opening up. Let's wait some minutes. So this is the folder. Then I don't need this. Then I need to open a file. Name it index.html. Folder is opening. So I can close the sidebar and bring out the normal template. So inside this title, like, we can just change the titles to operators. Operators. So, and then near the body closing tag, I can open in the script tag. The script tag, because we are writing JavaScript code. The script. Then open it up. Let me scroll up small. So as I mentioned, we are just covering operators. So I can just type in operators. And what are operators? We use operators in doing some tasks. We perform some tasks in JavaScript. So operators are what we use in doing a little bit of like our tasks in JavaScript. We have at least up to 7 types of operators. So let me list them for you. We have the arithmetic operators. The arithmetic operators. So as the name suggests, arithmetic. These arithmetic operators are the one we use in doing our calculations. They are all the operators include the normal plus we have, and then the minus, the multiplication. We also have the division. Just like every other operators, we have the division. No, I think this is the division. We also have the modulus. So for finding remainder, I think where can I find the modulus? The modulus for finding remainder. All right, no, not here. Yeah, the modulus. Then we also have the increment. So when you see double plus, that means increment, and then decrement, the minus, the double minus. So these are the arithmetic operators we do have. So, and then apart from the arithmetic operators, we have the assignment operators. The assignment operators. So the assignment operators are basically used for assigning values. As the name suggests, we use them to assign values to something. So they include the equals to, then the double equals to. No, we have the equals to, we have the plus and the equals to. We also have the minus and equals to. They are all the assignment operators. We also have the times and equals to, so the multiplication and the equals to. So these are the assignment operators. So we also have the comparison operators. So as the name suggests, we use them for comparing things, as I mentioned. So we use operators for doing our basic tasks. So these comparison operators are used in comparison of things. Let's say you want to compare 2 numbers or 2 things. So we use the comparison operators. So the comparison operators is the double, the triple. Don't worry, in our next video or further videos, we are going to treat each of them one by one, and you are going to learn more about them, how to use them, and how to implement it in your real life code. So the triple, and then we have the not equals to. We also have something like this. We also have for the comparison, not equals to. Then we also have something like this. All right. So then after the comparison operators, we also have something like logical operators. So logical operators, as the name suggests, are used in doing some logics. So we have the AND, logical AND. So this is the logical AND, and then we have the logical OR. This is the logical OR, and then we have the logical NOT. So this exclamation mark in JavaScript means not. So if you're adding that for the first time, you need to stick to your head, because we are going to be using it a lot. We also have some other operators like conditional. I will change this to capital letter. I've been using caps before. So we have conditional operators. Conditional. We also have something like type of operators. I think we have done something like this before, or maybe in our coming videos we are going to treat them more. So the type of operators, and then the instance of all right. We also have something like bitwise operators. Bitwise. Some call it like this, so I don't know. Bitwise operators. All right. The assignment operators, I think they are not just all. We also have something like this, divide and equals to, comma. We also have modulus and equals to, comma, and then we have the something like this, and equals to. And then for the ternary operators, comparison operators, they are also remaining. So we have something like this. For the comparison operators, we have greater than, as we all know. We have, and they also comparison, we have less than, and then we have greater than and equals to. Then we have the less than, and is it? I think this is the less than, and this is the greater than. So we have the greater than and equals to. And then we have the question mark, the ternary one. All right. So now I know it is a little bit of confusing, and you are not understanding all what I've been saying. But don't worry, in the next video we are going to treat the arithmetic operators one by one: the plus, the minus, multiplication, the division, the modulus, the increment, and the decrement, and you are going to know how to use them practically. And in other coming videos also, we are going to be taking some of these operators and be treating them each one. Don't worry, before the end of this basic tutorial we are going to use at least most of them, if not all. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Click on the like